Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you? Good. Okay. Then stay at home and stay safe and wash your hands regularly. So children, you must be wondering that what is our second activity for today? Our second activity for today is baby yoga. You know, children, yoga is very important for us to keep our body healthy, fit, and active. There are plenty of benefits of yoga. So, we should do yoga regularly. Let's see what are the learning objectives for this activity. The first one is stimulate gross motor skills. Second one is strengthen body muscle. The third one is improve flexibility. And the fourth one is increase body awareness, balance and coordination. There are many benefits of yoga. It is very important to cultivate these good habits in children in early years of their life because it is going to help them lifelong. Yoga is going to help them in their overall development. It is going to help them in their physical development as it gets them moving. They are going to do some physical exercise, so it is going to help them in their physical development. Cognitive learning, it is going to improve their focus and concentration. Yoga is the best way to improve focus and concentration. The fourth one is psychological benefit. Yoga boosts confidence and self-esteem in children. Let's see what are the resources for this activity. The first one is yoga mat and the second one is light background music. So parents, what you have to do is you have to start this activity by placing a yoga mat on the floor and then you have to play light background music. You can play any music of your choice. And then what you have to do is you have to show children these poses so they can see you and they can do similarly. So let's see what is our first pose. First pose for today is hero pose. For this pose, what you have to do is you have to come back, rest upright on your heels and you have to twist your upper body like an owl and you have to turn your upper body one way and then other way. As you can see in this picture, you can see how the child is sitting like this. You have to keep your back straight and you have to fold your legs like this and you have to keep your hands on your knees as you can see in this picture and you have to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. So let's see what is our second pose is horse pose. So children, have you ever seen a horse? Huh? Tell me. Okay, you have seen. Good. So this for this horse pose, what you have to do is you have to stand on your legs apart and feet facing slightly outward and bend your knees and stand firm like a horse and breathe in and breathe out. You can see in this picture how this girl is doing, how she has kept his feet apart and her feet are facing slightly outward. Her legs are apart and her feet are facing slightly outward. And she has bent her knees. Like this only you have to do. Let's see what our third pose for today is eagle pose. For this pose, you have to stand tall and wrap one leg around the other and bring your bent arms out in front of your arms together in opposite way and slightly bend your knees like sitting on like how eagle is sitting on a tree, like that you have to do. Let's see our last pose for today. Our last pose for today is happy baby pose. For this pose, children, what you have to do is you have to lie on your back with your chin tucked in and hug your knees into your chest. Then grab your outer part of your feet with both of your hands and rock like a baby. I'm sure that you all are going to try this pose. So, try this. So, children, did you enjoy today's pose? Enjoyed doing yoga today? Huh? Did you? Okay. So, parents, please share photographs with us of your child doing these yoga poses. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.